Hello, Jack again with Speedcom Communications. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about our multi-talk headset. When paired with the XPR 7550, it opens up a lot of features on this headset. So for the teams that are tired of wearing the two radios with one button on each side, can get cumbersome sometimes. So what this is a lightweight carbon fiber headset, over the head style, so it's lighter, more comfortable on your head. You have noise cancellation at the push of a button, deafens the background noise, which is nice and comfortable. And you have multiple channels without changing the radio. You can go channel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and even 7. It's got Bluetooth, you can pair it to your phone. And it's also got a ratcheting microphone on it, so if you're not comfortable on the left side, you can switch it over and it goes to the right side. And that's a little bit about our multi-talk headset.